Hey everyone, it's Saturday. My teen and I decided that we needed a couple more fall pieces for around our house. We were able to get really good deals at Dollar Tree today, and I bought some stuff to do a DIY that may or may not work out. And if it does, I'll show you. Today I'm just gonna show you what we bought, and then I'm gonna do a fall decor part 2 video sometime in the next couple of days. But I'm gonna turn around and show you what we picked up from our local Dollar Tree. As you can see, we have a couple of items that are not fall, but most of this is fall decor. So let me take you step by step through. One thing is actually not for fall or anytime soon. I actually picked this up. My kids love these, and I picked it up for a stocking stuffer. And I will do another video. 2 years ago, we did a video on $5 stocking stuffers minus candy for our kids. If you're interested in that, let me know. I may do a $10 stocking stuffer video, like $10 per child stocking stuffer video this year. Let me know if you're interested in that. But let me get back to today's haul. So here was the DIY that I found, where you take the picture frames, glue them together, and make a lantern. So I'm still trying to figure out how you do like an actual bottom with it and a top, and I'll have it all together and it still be able to function to where like you could change stuff out if you needed to. But I couldn't find like there's one where like you actually take like a square frame and make like arches at the top, you know, alternate corners. Couldn't find that, so I have another idea for how to do it, and if I get it to work, I will show you in our fall decor part 2 video. This is also for it. There's no candle in it. We could not actually find a candle in store that would fit in it. However, we have some candles that I know would work perfectly in that. Our thing is, we're thinking of putting some rocks in the bottom, putting a candle in it, and we're going to make it into a lantern. And for the first time ever, we're going to have a little bit of fall decor on our front porch. Right here we have toothbrushes, one for everybody. I did buy one 2-pack just because they were different toothbrushes, so that the kids have one kind and we have another until we replace their toothbrush holder. We're not all using the same big toothbrush holder. Double-sided tape for Matt. My oldest, who is with me, requested a sketch pad. She uses sketch pad for school, drawing, for fun. It's her artsy, so I let her go ahead and have that, since we usually, whenever I take one of them out, we do like a special, like go and get some coffee, or for them like either like a chocolate milk or something. Anyways, but we didn't do that today, so I did let her go ahead and get one of those. I was looking at planner stickers for the girls. I couldn't find any for like less than 10 bucks, and I wanted to get one per child. These don't have the holidays like the one I was looking at was doing, but for $1 a piece for fun stickers for school, I figured why not. These are a pre-buy, so I'm going to be buying paper products for Thanksgiving. It's not my favorite thing to do, but one of the people coming over doesn't like using realware. It makes them nervous. I don't know. Anyways, so we're going to do paper products for Thanksgiving this year, and I wanted to go ahead and get this 2-pack of bowls while they had them, because it looked like that was the one thing they were having a hard time stocking. I will go back in October and get the rest of it. I also figured if I wanted this for anything for now, it's paper. It's not breakable. If it falls, it's okay. These painting sets, these two are the same, and this one is different. These are going to be for the kids for on Thanksgiving Day. Since they're probably not going to get to see any cousins or a lot of family, we might have like some of Matt's family over on Thanksgiving Day. We're not 100% sure how Thanksgiving's even going to go this year. Anyways, I wanted to go ahead and get them something fun to do on Thanksgiving Day. So these are the painting kits they're going to do, and they come with these little easels, and I thought that was super cute. Let me finish up these few items here that are not fall. We got a new scrub brush for the bathroom, actually 2 new scrub brushes for the tub, and then Madeline picked out these charcoal face wipes. They're her favorite and don't make her face break out after using them. Now the rest of this. I've been looking for trays for our tables. I'm planning on dry brushing this one gray, maybe brown with that one, I don't know. I want one that's like fall and Christmas. I may go back. I may just end up dry brushing this one brown for fall and doing another one for Christmas. But my goal is to have like a tray where I can put like beads, little decor items, small decor items like that. So I wanted to do it for summer, and I never could find anything, and we didn't really go anywhere. Couldn't go anywhere this summer. So I went ahead and picked up 2. One of these is automatically going in our summer decor as we're finishing packing it down. These chalkboard tags looked super cute. They had ones that look like cell tags as well, but I really like the round ones. I'm planning on making a Thanksgiving garland with these. There's 12 between the 2 packs. I'm also going to try out their acrylic paint and see if it's worth anything, see if we can use it for dry brushing and painting items. These mugs are identical-ish. I thought they would be super cute for my drink station. They're also dishwasher and microwave safe, and also for the pack of beverage napkins. I thought that would also give like a little hint of fall at my drink station. There are 10 pumpkins and gourds here. These are going in a basket on the fireplace. This is for a basket that Madeline decorates herself. She picked this out. It makes this entire room now smells like pumpkin spice because of that potpourri bag. So perfect. This is also for a corner of the front porch. I may just put like some dried sticks in it. I don't know yet. I'm gonna look and see for ideas for using buckets for the front porch. They didn't have any big milk buckets like I wanted, but I figured this was super cute and it looked durable enough to be outside. These 2 strands of garland are pretty close in color, and also to go with this strand of leaves, and there are 2 different styles of leaves, and these flowers. The girls are really liking the burlap-esque looking flowers this year. These are going to replace the flowers that, my wreath is like 3 years old, and some of the flowers are starting to look crushed, and we're kind of burnt out on some flowers. We've used it over and over again. So we're going to take off everything off the burlap on the wreath and redo the wreath with these flowers and this garland. And these 2 garland pieces are different slightly. These have the orange shiny, these have the red shiny. They are for going over the fireplace, because I ended up using the garland that I used for the fireplace before on our towers, what we call it. And you saw that one in the first video. This was interesting. I've never seen the packs before where you have like the realistic-esque looking ones and the shinies, and these are also bigger. So we went ahead and picked up 1 pack of those for now. And I could not decide between these 2. I'm thinking of possibly just keeping 1 outside with wherever we're going to put our outdoor decor on the front porch, and rotating them out. Put this one out for now, and then put this one out for Thanksgiving. I may put the Thanksgiving one by the front door and the autumn one by our back door where we come in and out. But when we host, we always put the dog over in the room where the back door leads to. So we usually do the front door for hosting. So I may put the Thanksgiving one at the front door. So that's it for our Dollar Tree fall haul. There were a couple items that I was like, wow, I couldn't believe I actually got something that looked that nice for $1 a piece. And like I said, the stationery or the planner stickers being $1 a pack definitely made me so happy. So thank you so much for following along. Like I said, in a couple days, we'll do part 2 of our fall decorating. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.